Hi, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are you all doing? Are you all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? Alright, that's good. Glad to hear it. Okay, so this evening I am starting my American beauty boxes. They arrived, when did they arrive? They arrived on Thursday. I think it was on Thursday. And I am starting to unbox them all this weekend. So for those of you who don't know, I do subscribe to a couple of the American beauty boxes. So Ipsy, I am subscribed to all tiers of their bags. And then I also subscribe to the Allure beauty box, this one here. And this is the one I'm going to be doing today. So what I subscribe to those. I use my UK banking cards and everything over here. I send my products to the address given to me by one of those forwarding companies that allows you to shop in the US, and then they'll store all your products and then you can ship it over to you here in Europe, in my case England, UK. So the company I use is called Stackry, so Stackry. I'll spell it down there for you. That's the company who I use to do that, and they've been working fine for me, no problems at all. So I get all the products over, and then once I've received them, I unbox them for you. So I do tend to unbox my products towards the end of the month or the beginning of the following month. And that's when I'll do my unboxings of my American boxes. So as I said, I'm doing the Allure beauty box today. This one is very much more a skincare box, but they do put the occasional makeup item in there. So for those of you who don't know, I do love my makeup. I love my makeup products. It's just one of those things. But I find with the Allure beauty box, even though it's very skincare heavy, the quality of the products they give do tend to be just very good quality. So I don't mind receiving them. So yeah, it's a good box. So here we go. This is the box this month. Oh, how much is it? It's $25 for the box, so it's really good value. $25, I think, is about £18. So you know, it's about £18 for at least 5-6 full size items in the box. It's really good value. So here we go. That's what the early indications of the June box looks like. Let's see what we got. So we've got a little leaflet here. And let's see what we've got. I literally can't remember anything. Oh, first page is telling me that there was a choice item, and I forgot about this. So there is normally a little blurb. So let me go through the blurb first. So this is from one of the senior people in the Allure company. So they've sort of said, oh, easy does it. So I love having coffee outside, even if it's just for 50 minutes before my kids wake up. So you won't find me blow drying or doing elaborate makeup on summer mornings. This time of year, I'm all about pared back beauty with help from efficient multitaskers like the Buxom's lip liner, which is what we've got inside our box this month. Buxom's lip liner, which makes my lips look fuller and has a velvety matte texture that can double as lipstick. Then we've also got Naked Sunday sunscreen, replaces my foundation with a radiant finish that's too pretty to cover up, and Lunar Nectar's serum gives a boost of antioxidant protection. Truly's body oil is an easy way to feel glam, and Maria Neela's shampoo and conditioner, and I've received those before. I haven't used them. Which will get rid of flakes while moisturising my scalp and hair, so I have more time to relax outside before the morning rush begins. And this is from Elizabeth Siegel. She's a deputy beauty director. Anyway, let's go with the first product here. So we did get a choice of 4 shades in the Buxom Power Liner Plumping Lip Liner in Real Red, Dangerous Dolly, Smooth Spice, or High Def Honey. I did choose which I thought was the darkest colour, but even then I knew that the colour wouldn't be dark enough for me. But I'm going to show it to you anyway, because when it comes to lip liners, give me the chocolate deep dark brown colour or the deep burgundy colour. Those are my colours. That's what I like to wear when it comes to lip liners. So this is it. So it's a full size item. And they're saying here, why you'll love it, even if you've never used lip liner in your life, you'll now be shaping your lips like a pro. While some pencils are dry, they skip and feel uncomfortable. Buxom's unique formula is creamy with an angled tip that maneuvers easily around the cupid's bow and corners. It comes in velvety matte shades that make it easy to overdraw your lips without it looking fake. And the shades are so pretty you might not want to cover them up. You got to pick your favourite to receive in your box. Right. I think there was only actually 4 colours they do in this range. So I chose the High Def Honey, which I believe is the darkest shade. I think it is. I'm assuming it is. Right, so let's have a look. Um, just going by that, I don't think it's going to be dark enough, but I'll see if there's something I can do with it. The value of this product is, the retail price in America is $22. If they sell it here in the UK, I will put the price up for you. Yeah, I definitely got the darkest shade here, I think. Let's have a look. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's the darkest shade. Those are the 4 shades that are available. You see that? And that's the High Def Honey, which I've got there. Is it the darkest shade? Yeah, I think it's that darkest shade. So let me show what that looks like on me. Can you see that? It's a very nude colour on me. Can you see that? It's just there. That's a very nude colour on me. This is the kind of thing that I could probably put all over my lips and then just put a lip line, and then just put a lip oil on. I've actually got a lip oil on which I got in my Ipsy Glam bag, but I'm just going to put this on all over. It's getting dark. I might have to put my ring lights on here, but just want to give you an idea of what this looks like. When they say something is plumping, I assume that it's got a tingle, so I'm expecting a little tingle, maybe. This is literally no colour on me whatsoever. Maybe it's because I've got a lip line, I've got a lip oil on already, but this is showing no colour on me whatsoever. Excuse me 1 second, I'm going to put my ring light on, and I've just turned the fan off as well because that was a noise that was going on in the background. Okay, alright, so we've got the ring light on. Let's try that again, see if it makes any difference. It literally isn't showing up on my skin at all, is it? Okay, I think it's because I've got the lip oil on, which was very lovely, by the way. Alright, so that's the first product. Alright, next, let's have a look. Next is from Naked Sundays, and this is Naked Sundays SPF 50 Collagen Glow, which is 100% mineral sunscreen. Do I like mineral sunscreens? Well, these are ones that leave a white cast. Let's see. Why you'll love it. High SPF for more radiant skin. Yes, please. This rich tinted cream, tinted, oh dear, gives you SPF 50 from the mineral sunscreen, zinc oxide, and a more flattering finish than a lot of other formulas or even moisturizers. It wears like a radiant tinted hydrator more than a sunscreen. Who knows, you might even look forward to reapplying it this summer. I think if it's mineral, then it's something I don't want to be wearing because it's going to leave that white cast on my skin. Yeah, this is not something for me. I'm pretty certain of it, so I'm not even going to risk it. But the retail price for this is, it's a full size product. Retail price for this is $34 for 50 mils, and this is the full size. If this is something that we sell here in the UK, I will put it on the screen, and I'm pretty certain this is not something I can wear because it's going to leave a white cast. And when she said it was tinted in that blurb at the beginning, I kind of knew it wasn't full tinted for my skin tone. You know what I mean? So I'm probably going to be selling this on eBay. Yeah, so don't be surprised if you're interested. This is where it's going to be going. Okay, so that's going to be going on eBay. I'm pretty certain of it. All right, next, I think this product I am interested in. This is this it? No. Yeah, this I'm interested in. This is from Truly Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil. Why you'll love it. Body moisturizer is a summer staple, but sometimes you might want it to feel less utilitarian. That's where this body oil comes in with its warm vanilla scent and glimmering finish. Oh yeah. How you'll use it: smooth this hydrating, shimmering body oil over legs and arms, anywhere you want a little extra glam. Retail price for this is $30 for 1.7 ounce. Okay, so it looks like it's full size again. Let's try this out. I love body oils, body moisturizers. This is what it looks like. Well, look nice on a dressing table at least. Okay, let's see. And I don't know if you can see that. That's the shimmery stuff inside it. Let's see what the scent is like. Oh, it's very strong vanilla, almost coconutty. Right, let's put some of this on. Oh, a minute. Okay, so it had a little stopper. Okay, right, I'm just going to put it on my... Okay, so it's got a nice viscous spread, so no problems there. It's not greasy, it's like a light oil, and it does give that shimmer and shine, really. It's a nice scent. It's a very warm vanilla scent. So yeah, that's all right. I will bring that. Yeah, that will be used. So again, not a problem with that. So that's all good. At least that's something I can actually use in this box. Then next we've got Lunar Nectar Neptune Hyaluronic Acid. It's a hydrate and blur serum. Why you'll love it, an elegant summer serum. This is lightweight and refreshing. It leaves skin feeling smoother and more hydrated with hyaluronic acid and has antioxidants like green tea that might offer additional free radical protection when laid under sunscreen, like your new one from Naked Sundays. Well, I'm not going to be using that Naked Sundays one, am I? So there we got that. This is also full size, full of 30 mils, and the retail price for this is $39 for a pretty bottle. So I will use that because I do use hyaluronic acid. So yeah, I will use that. So that's fine. That will get used. So that's all good. So at least there's 2 products I can use. Don't forget, this box is $20 or $25. I can't remember, but you're definitely getting your value. Usually with one product, you've covered the value. And then the next 2 products are products I definitely won't be using. And these are from Maria Neela Head and Hair Heal Shampoo and Conditioner. I know these are very popular brands, but I just don't think they're suitable for my hair type. I don't know. So for the shampoo, they're saying why you'll love it: a luxe rated treat and itchy scalp, or haven't got itchy scalp or dandruff. Now that's worthy of an Allure Best of Beauty Award. This shampoo smells great and soothes dry itchy scalps with aloe while tackling flakes with purotone alamine. And then you've got the conditioner. The conditioner, they're saying, sweet relief for dry scalps no matter the cause. Time spent at the beach, product overload. This conditioner moisturizes scalps, help treat flakiness and smooth strands. Yeah, these are 2 products I won't be using. So there you go, there's those 2 products. So the products I won't be using and may end up on eBay are these 2. This definitely is going on eBay. I'm going to be keeping the Neptune Hyaluronic Acid Serum, the vanilla oil, because it smells nice, and it's just a nice summery scent, and the Buxom lip thing. I'm going to try and use without having a lip oil on first, and then I'll probably put the lip oil on afterwards. So I'll be keeping these 3 products. And that's my Allure Beauty Box this month. Not the most exciting, but it's all right. It's okay. Definitely getting my value though, so that's why I don't mind it. And again, the products are good quality. They're just not everything's going to be suitable for me, as we can see with the sunscreen and the hair product. But the other 3 products I'm all right with. So that's the Allure Beauty Box. What do you think? Yeah, love to know what you think, guys. That's it for me for the Allure Beauty Box. I'm not going to film my BoxyCharm ones this evening. I think I'll probably do those on Monday or Tuesday evening. So you will see the BoxyCharm videos coming soon, later in the week. But thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And just to remind you, I have got a giveaway going at the moment. It finishes on June the 30th, so you've only got 1 day left to enter this giveaway. So please, if you want to enter the giveaway, you need to make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you are a public subscriber. Then you need to go and have a look and see which video it is that you need to enter on, because I'm not going to tell you. You should know by now. All right, so take care. I will see you soon. Look after yourselves. Bye.